Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet. In order to send your Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet, simply open up the Binance application. Once you've opened up Binance, make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebate when you register and verify. So you're on Binance with a verified account. How can you send your Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet? Now head to the wallet section at the bottom right, scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your Ethereum tokens are stored. Once you've located the Ethereum, click on withdraw. Use the search icon at the top of the screen or the search panel at the top of the screen to search for Ethereum. That's ETH. And once you've located Ethereum, simply click on Ethereum, click on send via crypto network. And you're met with the send Ethereum menu where you're to provide an address, a network, and a minimum withdrawal. Now, as we know, Binance provides lots of networks to send from your Trust Wallet, from your Binance over to your Trust Wallet. All you need to do is make sure you match the network. So when you click on the network, we're going to be going with one of the cheapest, being the Base network. You could go with BNB or Arbitrium or Scroll or Optimism, but I'm going with Base. So click on Base, and then you're asked to provide an address and a minimum amount is shown. So minimize and open up your Trust Wallet application. Once you've opened up Trust Wallet, all you need to do is simply search for the Ethereum, that's ETH. And then you'd find that the Ethereum exists on multiple networks here as well. The mainnet Ethereum, Base, which is what we're looking for, Arbitrium, Aurora, Manta Pacific, Optimism, Mainnet, and Linear. Now I'm going to be going with Base Ethereum. So click on this Base, click on Receive, copy your address, minimize and open up Binance. Paste the address you had copied from Binance there, enter the amount you wish to send, and hit withdraw. By doing this, you successfully sent your Ethereum tokens over from Binance to your Trust Wallet, which you could simply head over to the search and search for Ethereum Base, click on Base, and you'd find your Ethereum that you'd sent here. As you can see, it's been received on my wallet. So guys, that's how you can easily get this done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.